Hey Queens, I'm Kelsey and welcome to my channel. So it has come to my attention that I should do more makeup tutorials based off of or inspired by music videos, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. So today's makeup look is inspired by Rain On Me by Lady Gaga featuring Ariana Grande. Let's get started. So we have two things to talk about, but before I get into that, we're going to be doing the eyes first, since that's kind of the most important part. And this isn't necessarily going to be like recreating Ariana Grande's and Lady Gaga's makeup look that they're wearing in the music video. It's mostly inspired by the colors in the music video. When I was watching it, I noticed like Lady Gaga's side was like pink and then Ariana Grande's side was like purple. So we're gonna be doing that, and I'm going to put some screenshots in the video so you can see. And we're going to go in. My face is already primed, my eyelids are already primed, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to go in with this color right here, and yeah, and we're going to put that on the crease. So yes, I did take a few weeks off. Number one, I was a little stressed about filming videos, which was, part of it was my fault because I kind of procrastinate sometimes. And yeah, so I was just kind of a little bit stressed. And I've also been dealing with like a breakout or an acne issue, if you could tell, which you can't really tell because it's gotten a little bit better. But yeah, and because of this, I was kind of afraid to put makeup on because I guess it could make it worse. And I was kind of very insecure about it, and then I just kind of realized I'm not going to let acne win, and I'm not going to let it ruin my life. I'm going to continue to do what I gotta do and live my life, and this issue will be solved. Maybe not today or tomorrow or the next day, but it'll get better. And right now we just gotta deal with it, and it is what it is. So that's like the first thing. And the second thing is yesterday I tried to film this video. Actually, I didn't try. I was not motivated to film this video. And I was kind of questioning my whole entire life, and I was like, what is something that could make this more fun? Like, what do I have to do differently? And I was literally like questioning, like, should I change like the content that I make, like the type of videos that I do? Like, I literally have no idea what to do. And then I kind of was thinking of doing like movie reviews, but like I didn't want to change my content, and I didn't know if that was like an actual thing I wanted to do. But like, I do love movies and film. It's a passion of mine. And then I was like, what if we combine the two together? And basically I was looking on Pinterest, and I came up with an idea to kind of mix it up a little bit. So basically what I'm going to be doing is doing makeup looks that are inspired by movies, like, I don't know, Moana, for example, like a Disney movie, or Lilo and Stitch, like something like that. Like, I still will do like looks that are inspired by music videos, of course, but I kind of want to do a little bit of that to make it just kind of interesting, instead of your boring, normal, like natural, like summer look or spring natural look. Just something that's more creative. And then I kind of started to get excited again, and then that's what made me film this video, and here we are. And that's basically all I wanted to talk about. The end. Okay, next we're going to go in with a purple, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to kind of like leave a space in the middle of the lid and kind of do just like the outside and like the inner corner, and then we're gonna try and put maybe like a white or a shimmery kind of look in the center of the eyelid, because they do have like white eyeliner in the music video, which is kind of iconic to be honest. So yeah, if this color even works, it's like not showing up. And I'm using like a smaller brush, whatever this thing is called. I feel like we should use like a darker color, because this color ain't working. Like, you can't see it, really. I'm gonna go in with, maybe we'll try this color right here. It's a little bit darker, I guess. That's a little bit better, actually. The doorbell just rang. Now my dog is barking. Okay. I think he stopped. I think. So next we're going to go in with this palette, and we're going to go in with this shade right here, and we're going to put it in the center of the lid. I don't think I've ever done like this type of eye look before, where like it's like in the center of a lid, like it's like a different color. And then to add a little shimmer, a little sparkle, we're going to go in with this shade right here, Prince. I literally use this shade literally all the time. My dog is literally like crying. I just put like some white and like the shimmery shade like on the corners and like the brow bone, and I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna kind of wipe the excess eyeshadow. And now we're going to comb out these brows. And Am I like the only person that doesn't like fill in their brows? I just feel like there's no need, really. At least maybe for my brows. And then I'm going to take this brow gel from Anastasia. We're good. Of course, we gotta do a wing, and I'm going in with this liner from Bare Minerals. Let's hope I don't mess up. So I just put some lashes on, and now we're going to go in with the face, and I need my brush. Where is my brush? I can't find it. So I'm going to go in with this foundation from MAC. It's a water weight foundation, and it doesn't, I don't think it doesn't really match the color of my skin, but I also got this like at the beginning of like this whole quarantine started, so I actually couldn't go to the store and test it out, so we're just gonna go with it. Don't judge me. Oh crap. Hold up. We are going to take some Shape Tape first, and we're going to cover this hot mess chin that we got going on here. I saw this hack. I was watching Manny MUA, and basically what you do is you cover all like your imperfections with concealer. You wait 2 minutes, and then you put the foundation on, and it like completely covers it up, and that's what we're doing. So I'm going to wait 2 minutes, and I will be right back. And we're back, and I look like a hot mess. Okay, I don't know if this is exactly going to work with water weight foundation, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna need a lot more foundation. Okay, I think that's a little too much. And then once we're done with the face, we're going to put some shadow on the under the lower lash line. No, I did not forget, because it completes the look. I just didn't want to do it before we did the face, and then like the foundation or like the concealer would like ruin the lower lash line, and so I'm doing it after. And don't forget to blend near the jawline and the ear. Some people literally like put foundation on their ear, and I'm just like, what? Like, I do not do that. I don't want to do that. And like there's like, I do have like some texture like around the chin, because like you could like see the bumps, which is why I absolutely hate putting makeup on with like breakouts and stuff, but there's nothing you can really do. Next I'm going to go in with my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. we're going to try and not ruin the eyeliner. And we're going to blend that in. And then we're going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And what shade is this? Fairlight. I'm not gonna like bake like the concealer or anything. I'm just gonna powder my face, bake the face, so we look snatched like a queen. And it's my favorite part, contour. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I feel like using some bronzer today, so I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. We're gonna look like a tan queen today.
And no, we're not putting on blush because I do not like blush. Fun fact.
And now we're going to put shadow on the lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with pink because I don't want there to be like too much purple, because that's originally what I was thinking of doing. So we're just gonna go in with the same pink that we used. And next it's highlighter, the best part, and I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray. My mirror's wet. And I'm going to go in with the palette again, and I'm going to use I'll just use a mixture of both, to be honest. Like, who cares? Go big or go home, sis. And oh my god, I love highlighter. I love it. It's so pretty. And put some maybe here and all over the place. Ooh. I love it. Okay. And next we're going to do the lips. And I like to take a Q-tip and go like this. It helps get like all like the foundation and the yucky stuff. And then I'm going to apply chapstick. And we're going to go in with a pink, I don't know if this is like a lipstick or lip gloss, but it's Revlon. And we're going to put this on our lips. Yep, it's definitely a lip gloss, but it matches the best. And at last, but certainly not least, setting spray. This is one by e.l.f. Refreshing.